So a very good morning and welcome to the webinar. Today we are going to discuss on the topic how Zohodesk software help businesses to focus on their customer. Agenda for today's webinar. I'll be having an introduction about myself, about my company, what is Zohodesk and the features and the benefits. So hi, this is Hassan Rangoonwala working as a CRM consultant uh, in Target Integration, the company which I represent. And if you have any query, any doubt, you can always drop a mail on info@targetintegration.com. About my company, who are we? Target Integration was established in 2008 with a mission that every business should be able to leverage the full power of their business insights. We have business headquarters in Dublin, Ireland. We have multiple branches across the globe that covers United Kingdom, India. There is a multiple places we are physically present, like Gurgaon, Bangalore, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, and I personally take care of Mumbai and Ahmedabad. And we have one of the development center at Greece. Target Integration provide you a perfect mix of quality and the value. What do we do? We basically implement the ERP solutions, CRM solutions, ticketing solutions, also on the cloud as well as on the premises. As a company, Target Integration is partner of multiple softwares providers, like you can see the Zoho, Odoo, Zendesk, Salesforce, SAP, Microsoft, and many more. And even for more detail, you can always visit our company's website www.targetintegration.com for more detail. Our success stories are our satisfied client. So we have successfully implemented the projects for multiple of the companies. As you can see the name of the list of the companies. So now coming to the main point, what is Zoho Desk? Zoho Desk is a ticketing system, is an industry's first context aware help desk software that help businesses focus on to the customer. Also, Zoho Desk is a web-based help desk software that gives you ability to manage your customer support activities efficiently, and definitely it can give you more productivity to your agents. Why Zoho Desk? So I have mentioned few points why customer can go for the Zoho Desk. The first point is ease of use. Zoho Desk interface is designed for ease of use. Everything is made as simple as possible. If we are talking about the terminology to the basic setup of the Zoho Desk. Second, we are always here for you. It means they have already made one of the features of virtual help center in the Zoho Desk where you can always call, email, or chat to the Zoho Desk technical support line. Make it your way. No matter what your business process is, Zoho Desk works the way you do. So this is one of the important point you can consider that as per the company's requirement, we can customize all those things. Your data is safe with us, of course. So there's a two-way authentications and the data center with the bulletproof security. And for more detail, even they have mentioned all the detail about the security on the Zoho sites. Everything at one place. Your entire business fits into one system. So nobody wants to click on the different modules, or nobody wants to click on different URL for certain things. So this is one of the important factor point you can consider, that everything is at the one place, live on a go. Zoho Desk also provide you mobile application for the Android, for the iOS, where you can have the access to your tickets, contact, and the task. Zoho Desk features. So I have definitely, there are multiple features of the Zoho Desk, but I have mentioned few important points which I will also give you a little idea about this point into our demonstration. So multi channels. It means like let's say if you received any query on any of the platform, either it's on the WhatsApp, email, website, telephony, you can receive mails and query from any of the platform. We can integrate those platform into our Zoho Desk. multi-brand help center. It is also one of the unique features where customer don't have to wait for the revert from the technical support. They can directly find the solution from the Zoho desk. So there is an option of the community where help customers to get the answer quickly. Multi-department, yes, of course, we have one of the features called as a multi-department, where we can customize, we can create multiple departments, so that let's say if the query comes for this particular department, it goes to that particular department and to that particular agent. Live chat, again we have the options of the live chat. Self service, as I already mentioned, a community which is considered as a community, a kind of a self service where customer directly find the solution by their own. Automation which help you to trigger to escalations metrics, workflows, assignment rules. So there are multiple things where we can automate our system into our Zoho desk. Benefits of implementing Zoho desk. So I have put points called as like efficiency. Of course, productivity, efficiency is equal to productivity. By centralizing all the support ticket, you will gain massive efficiency and enhance processes. There's one of the module called as a knowledge based. It means like we can share the articles, the case study internally with our team, so that if we have any idea of any particular case, we can give the solution in a proper way. Customer experience, all of the above leads to a better experience, fast, dependable, accurate customer service, which is lead to the happy customer, which is our main motto by using the Zoho desk. Zoho desk demo. So now we are going to the demo of the Zoho desk. So this is the main page of the Zoho desk. This is how it looks like. So this is what you will see the first when you log in to the Zoho desk. A quick workaround, and I will show you the features of the Zoho desk and a few setup of the Zoho desk. As you can see in the first page, where you can see all the modules, like you can see the ticket modules, you can see the KB modules, like knowledge base, as I've already mentioned, the community, as I've already mentioned in the previous slides. The customer don't have to wait for the agents; he can directly get all the answers. Customer, of course, your the entire list of your customer to whom you are giving the services. Reports, we have a separate report module. You can say a dashboard, where again it's a customizable dashboard where you can view the entire dashboard. We have multiple dashboard here already mentioned. You can add the components. You can click on the reports. You will see multiple reports which is already mentioned, and even we have the option of the customize activities. Activity is nothing but a kind of reminders, follow up, call schedule, meeting schedule with your customer. You will get all this detailed list to whom you have set up the meeting or set up the calls, kind of thing. Social and chat, this is something called as a, you can say, integration part. Okay, so let's say if you are integrating our Zoho social or any of the platform or any of the chat options, even we can integrate all those things. As you can see at the downside, we have a search option across the Zoho. We have a bar called as a recent item where you can see what all activities I have done till now. You have pending activities reminder, so where you can see what all activities are has been pending till now. So now going to the setup part. This is the entire setup. Definitely it is a more detail into the setup part. There are multiple things where we can customize each and everything, right? So coming to the main first part is a channel, as I've already told you, that whenever you received any complaint, any query from any of the platform, we can integrate all those platform and we can generate the ticket in our Zoho desk. It either email, help center, chat, community, social, any telephonic integration. So we need to check what telephonic provider you are using. Through IVR we can connect all those things. General is just nothing but a setting of your Zoho desk, your company setting, your rebranding, your business hours, your customer happiness link. We are generating those link to where we can share to our customers. Product, you can also add the multiple products. You can also add the department, multiple department. which the product or the agent belong from. Customization, yes, customization is possible. Like you can customize the ticket status, layout and the fields, ticket tracking, modules, template, general setting, and the personal setting. Automation, as I've already mentioned, if you want to automate your business process in or like in automations kind of thing, so you can set the workflows, you can set the escalation metrics, you can assign the tickets to any of your agent by taking using the round robin formats. User and the control, it means all your users, about we are saying about the user who actually use the system, it's called as agent. You can also create the teams and you can also give them the permission according to the hierarchy. Data administrations, like import, you can also import export the data, recycle bin, and z, which it means there is a product called as Zendesk. Even we can migrate all the data from Zendesk to our Zoho Desk. Marketplace is the additional thing where you can integrate our Zoho Desk with multiple of the internal application of Zoho. Microsoft, like Gmail account, you can integrate Microsoft 360, Outlook, and others application as well, or other software as well. And developer space is nothing but generating the APIs, custom functions, and mobile applications kind of thing. So now coming to the ticket module, where I will show you how you can generate a ticket, and this is how it will look like. So if I click on this all ticket, we also have multiple filter options where you can view all the tickets, close ticket, on hold tickets, open tickets, overdue tickets, and there are multiple options of the filter. So let's say if I need to generate a ticket, how I can do it? Just click on the plus sign. You will get the multiple options as you can create the ticket manually by clicking on the tickets, or let's say call or task or event or contact or the accounts. So let's say if I click on the ticket, this is the all fields. You can say this all are the fields according to the customer's requirement. So again, we can customize all those fields as per your requirement. We can set up all those things. So let's say if I select any of the department that this ticket will go to any particular department, I just select on any of the department. I click on the contact. If you already know the name, you can click the contact. It will directly fetch all the data of the company, of the customers, their email ID, their phone number. And let's say if you want to put any subject, if I putting a subject called as a repair screen laptop, this is the you can say you can give the subject. Again, if you want to give a brief description about this particular software or of this particular subject or any query complaint, you can always put the description. Status is also there: open, hold, escalate, or close. Ticket owner, it means to whom this ticket is going to assign. So we have separate number of agents. Even you can assign those ticket in the team, in the teams or in the department. We have multiple option called as additional information called as a due date. You can select the due date. You can select the priority. You can give the classification. This particular tickets belong to which particular classification. Even you can give the classification as well. So question is this the questions, is this the problem, feature, or the other? And also you can have the option of the channels where you can identify at the time of the report that this particular tickets has been come from which particular platform, so email or phone or web or Twitter, any of them. And if we are doing any automation, it will directly come into our system and it will give you the option directly automatic that this ticket has been raised from the email or the website. If you have any attachment to related this particular subject or this particular query, you can always attach the file and submit it. Once I submit it, it will take you to that particular ticket with all the detail. As you can as you can say that it is a dashboard of that particular ticket. As you can see all the details about the ticket, the company's name, customer's name, to whom we have assigned the status of that particular ticket, at which time we need to give the resolution to this particular ticket. All the detail is mentioned at the left hand side. And if you see at this particular page, Even you can see all the details. Let's say the conversation, what all the conversation is going between you and your customer, whatever the resolution you are providing to your customer, you can put it over here. So let's say if the agent is giving any solution on this, even we have the option called as a notify contact, where our customer can at least know that what resolution has given by the agent. Time tracking, yes, of course, how many time has been taken to resolve this repair of the screen, you can manage those time tracking. Attachment, already I've mentioned, if there is any attachment files, if there is any activity, let's say if there is a call schedule, meeting schedule, or any task schedule, you can always put the task against this particular ticket. Approval process, yes, we have one of the unique features in this particular ticket module called as approval process. If you want to take any approval from your senior management, so you can set up those approval management process. And the last option is called as a history. So if I click on the history, it will give you the entire detail at what day time the ticket has been raised until now, what is the progress of that particular ticket. So this is how you can view, you can customize, and you can see all your ticket list number of the tickets. So here we have the option of the department, of the comments. Let's say if internally, if I want to give any comment on this particular ticket, to know the status of that particular ticket, you can always comment on this. Even we have one of the option called as a feed. You just have to click on the feed. Your management, or you, the manager to whom you are reporting, you can directly chat on any of the particular ticket, and you can chat internally, and you can know the status of that particular ticket. So now, if you have any questions regarding this, all those things, you can always ask me. I'm more than happy to give you the answers on this particular thing. So I have one of the question. I've get the question that how we can customize the ticket fields and all those customization, how it can be done. So it's very simple. You just have to click on the setup part, click on the layout and the fields module. You will get the multiple options. If you want to customize not only the ticket module, if you want to customize any of the module, they will give you the option called as a ticket, entry, contract, contact, accounts, product, task, event. So let's say if I select the ticket, I just have to click on the ticket option, and this is the entire editing page where you can customize the fields as per your requirement. So it's very simple. You just have to drag all those information, and you can put it all the detail about this, and you can customize like this way. As you can see, there's a module options available where you can organize the module. Let's say ticket, if the process is in your different way, you can even organize the module as per your requirement, and the rename the module. So let's say if you are not comfortable with the name of the ticket, you can just give the name as a complaint or the query. Let's say if I put a name as a query and I save it, you can see it will reflect like as a query. So if you are comfortable with any of the name, you can always change, and you can organize the module. So it is as simple as that. I hope you got my answer. Thank you. So one more question is coming: how we can set up the department and the product. Okay, so again, we just have to go on the setup part, click on the general. You can see the general option where you can see the department and the product option. Let's say if I click on the department, it will give you multiple options, how many department you want to generate. So just click on the new department. Let's say if I create general support department, and rest all information, if you want, you can put it over here and configure the channel. And the same way, click on the product, click on the new product. If you want to select the department, it's fine. If you want to give the name of any of the product, you want to give the code, if you want to give the which particular category it is, you can give and submit it. So this is how you can generate the product list. How This is how you can generate the department list. Let's say go back to the query part. Query, it means a ticketing. If I click here on ticket, it will give you both the option. Just select the department. This ticket is belong from which department: general department, target demo, or technical department. So if I select on the general support department, again you have the option, or else you can search the multiple contacts. So if I select the contact, it will directly fetch all the detail about the particular ticket. Select as per your requirement, put the subject name, put the description, priority, due date, and save it. And once you submit it, once you submit it, again it will uh, take you to the entire demonstration about the dashboard, about the Zoho desk ticket dashboard. And let's say if this ticket has been completed, you have given the solution, everything has been done, just click on the close ticket. The ticket has been closed and it is updated on your system. So you can, let's say if I click here all the query, we have multiple views system as well. So if you are comfortable any of the system, you can always select the those mode as well. So as you can see, this ticket has been open, this is also open, this is also open, and right now as I've closed this ticket, so it shows that this ticket has been closed. So basically this is all about the Zoho desk. If you have any more questions, please ask me. About IVR, as I told you, sir, that if you use any dialer company, we need to check which dialer company you use it. Through the IVR, we can connect all those telephonic integration with our Zoho Desk system. So let's say if customer call you, and directly it will reflect as a ticket in our ticket module. And the same goes for the email as well. So we have, if I click on the, as you can see, if I click on the email, we can set up the entire email structure as well. So let's say new support email address. It means you have to create one of the email ID which belong to your support team. And let's say if customer raise any particular query on that particular support mail ID, it will directly goes to this particular mail and it will reflect in the ticket. So this is how we can integrate the entire system with the Zoho Desk, with any of the channel, as I mentioned, that we can integrate multiple channels. So this was the all about the Zoho Desk functionality, features, and the benefits. As I've already mentioned, it's very easy to use. You can even customize by your own way. You can set up the department, you can set up the product, you can set up the agents, what all the agents you require. You can always click on the agents, you can generate the teams, and you can give the permissions. If I click on the personal setting, as you can see the entire detail of that particular person who is your agent, who is in the support team, what is the role, what is the permission, which department he belongs from, the all detail you can mention it over here. About the reports, yes sir, you can customize all the reports. As you can see the ticket status dashboard, we have multiple dashboard requests. So this is how we can customize the report as well. Yes, this is the entire dashboard of the front page of the dashboard, where you can see how many ticket has been opened, how many tickets on hold, what is the overdue, unassigned. Even you can see from last 7 days, 30 days, current week, and we have the option called as a custom, where you can custom, you can put the custom dates as well. You can see the multiple options. You can see the traffic analysis, average ticket reply time, and happiness rating. As we have the option of happiness rating, where we can share the link to our customer after completing the ticket, after closing the ticket, customer have the option to give you the rating. So this is all about the Zoho desk. And for more detail, always you can drop a mail to info@targetintegration.com, and you can always visit our website targetintegration.com. Thank you.